If you're falling on hard times financially, you may have to look at filing for bankruptcy, but you may be asking yourself, how do I do it and what does it mean? Well, joining me now to explain are Mark Anajar, Glenn Levine, and right in the middle is Larry Levine from the law offices of Anajar and Levine. Guys, this is a big word. It's a serious process, and there are so many things to consider with it. Where do we start with bankruptcy?
I think with bankruptcy, a lot of times it's getting to that point where you know you can't get out of it alone. And you've reached that point where all these bills are piling up and there's really no out. And that's when you really need to seek help. And we've expanded our practice. We brought in Larry Levine. He's Glenn's father. He's actually a phenomenal bankruptcy attorney. And I'll let him expand on the different options within bankruptcy that sometimes people aren't aware that exist.
Okay.
Basically, the most important thing for people to understand about bankruptcy is that it's a federal program to provide people with a fresh start. No one looks down at you because you're filing a bankruptcy. It's there to help you. It's there to provide you relief. There's 2 chapters generally available for consumers, Chapter 7, Chapter 13, and we go into detail with the consumer when they come in for a consultation, deciding which type of bankruptcy is appropriate for them and what the ramifications of each would be. But basically, they've got to get out of their mind that bankruptcy is an evil word. It's there to help them. And we've filed bankruptcies for doctors, for lawyers, for policemen, firemen, for people from all walks of life, because all people at some point encounter credit problems that are overwhelming for them, and their health and their mental sanity is more important than the bankruptcy, which will provide them with relief.
So we really need to get rid of that stigma associated with bankruptcy, don't we?
That's right, and it's also, keep in mind that, there's a lot of things that people misunderstand. Am I going to lose my car? Am I going to lose my house? That's why it's important to come in and talk to us, because there are different scenarios or different chapters that we refer to that can also help protect your own assets. So it's really important to talk to the lawyer.
Yes, it is. For more information, call 800-747-FREE or go to southfloridainjurylaw.com. And remember to tune in to the Legal Playbook Fridays on 6 in the Mix.
Legal Playbook is sponsored by the law offices of Anajar and Levine.